Today I am going to explain the important topic that two universal method in multiplication using Vedic mathematics system. That is called as vertically crosswise. Vertically crosswise or crisscross method. In Vedic mathematics, it's called Vardha Triyagyam. Okay. Okay. Vardha Triyagyam. Vardha is nothing but vertically. Triyagyam is nothing but that is the crosswise. Okay. So whatever it is, vertically crosswise, crisscross method, or Vardha Triyagyam, whatever it is, all are same. Okay. Now, so how to solve the multiplication using this technique? Vertically crosswise. Vertically, that is the straight. Crosswise. Okay. Suppose if you multiply AB into CD, two-digit number. Vertically, that is A into C. Crosswise, that is equal to A into D plus B into C. A into D plus B into C. And again vertically, that is B into D. Okay, nothing to worry. I will explain how to solve two-digit by two-digit multiplication. Okay, now a simple one. Suppose 23 into 45. 23 into 45. Now, this is the unit digit. 5 is unit digit. 4 is tens digit. 3 is unit digit. And 2 is tens digit. Right? Now, when will you get unit digit? If you multiply the unit digit with unit digit, you will get the unit digit. Right? When will you get tens digit? If you multiply the tens digit with unit digit. So 2 into 5 and next 4 into 3. When will you get hundreds digit? Just to multiply tens digit with tens digit. Now, here 3 parts are there. One is unit digit, tens digit, hundreds digit, right? When will you get unit digit? Unit digit into unit digit. When will you get tens digit? That is equal to tens digit into unit digit. When will you get hundreds digit? That is equal to tens digit into tens digit, right? So suppose 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. That is the unit digit. Suppose if you want to tens digit, then what happened? Tens digit into unit digit. Okay. 10 5 times 50. 10 6 times 60. 10 2 times, that is equal to 20. 10 3 times, that is equal to 30. Suppose if you want to find the hundreds digit, what should you do? 10 times is equal to 100. See, 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. If you multiply the tens digit with the unit digit, you will get the tens digit only. If you multiply tens digit with the tens digit, then you will get hundreds digit, right? Okay, suppose if you want to find the hundreds digit, another possibility is also there. What is that possibility? Or if you multiply hundreds digit plus into unit digit, then also you will get the hundreds digit, right? Here 100 into 2, that is equal to 200. 100 into 3, that is equal to 300, and so on. Suppose 100 into 10, what happened? That is equal to 1000. What is the 100? Hundreds digit. What is the 10? Tens digit. Suppose if you want to find the 1000 digit, what should you do? just multiply hundreds digit with tens digit. I think all of you know this concept. Okay, just a place value of the numbers, right? Now, suppose how to multiply these type of numbers. Just to focus on this concept and apply this logic to find out this 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication. Okay, now here 23 by 45. Just write down 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose in ordinary multiplication, what should you do? 23 into 45. First, you multiply 23 with 5. 5 3 times 15. So 5, 1 carry. 5 2 times 10. 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. 4 3 times, that is equal to 12. Just write down 2 and 1 carry. 4 2 times 8. 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. So 5 3 1 0 3 5. Right? Now, suppose if you multiply 2 3 5 into 6 7 8, then what happened? 8 5 times 40, 0 4 carry. 8 3 times 24 plus 4 28 and 2 carry. 8 2 times 16 plus 2, that is equal to 18. 7 5 times 35 and 3. 7 3 times 21 plus 3, 24, 2. 7 2 times 14 plus 2, that is equal to 16. 6 5 times 30, 0 and 3. 6 3 times 18 plus 3, 21, 2. 6 2 times 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. So what is the answer? 0, and this is 5, and this is 3, and this is 9, this is 5, and this is equal to 1. Suppose 4 digit by 4 digit, then what happened here? 4 steps are there. Suppose 5 digit by 5 digit, here 5 steps are there. Suppose 6 digit by 6 digit, here 6 digits are there. This is the conventional procedure, right? Now, a small change, you will get the answer in Vedic mathematics system. Concept is same, but the application part is different from the conventional procedure. Now, how to multiply 23 times of 45? See, all of you listen. Unit digit 3 is in the unit digit, 5 is in the unit digit, 2 is in the tens digit, and 4 is in the tens digit. If you multiply tens digit with the tens digit, which one you will get? That is equal to hundreds digit or not. So 2 3 times, that is equal to 8 is in the hundreds digit. When will you get tens digit? That is equal to tens digit into ones digit. So 2 5 times, that is equal to 10. Okay, 2 5 times, that is equal to 10. And this is the tens digit, right? Plus 4 times of 3. Why? Because 2 is in the tens place and 1 is in the unit place. So tens place into unit place, you will get the tens place, right? 2 times of 5 and 4 times of 3. Okay, 2 times of 5 plus 4 times of 3. And what is the last step? 3 times of 5, that is equal to 15. Okay, now what happened? This is equal to 8, and then 10 plus 12, that is equal to 22, and this is equal to 15. But initial stage, I want to write down step by step. Okay, after you have a practice, after I explain 5 or 6 problems, I don't want to write down all these steps, just to write down the answer only. I will explain how to write down the answer also. But before that, you need to know what is the concept step by step. Okay, so 8 is in the hundreds place and 22, that is nothing but a 22 tens. What is the 22 tens? That go 210, 20 honored. So 2 is in the hundreds place and 2 is in the unit place. Just as like as the previous examples. And 15, 1 is in the tens place and 5 is in the unit place. So what is the answer? This is 5, this is 3, and this is equal to 10. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 1036. But initially you need to know the step by step. Okay, after 4 or 5 problems, just I write down this step only. Is it clear, all of you? I'll explain one more example. Okay, Nanu. Suppose 34 into 56. What happened? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 5 times 15. 100th digit is over. Next to 10th digit. What is the 10th digit? 3, 6 times 18. Keep in your mind. 5 times of 4, 20. 18 plus 20, 38. So here 2 digits are there. So 3 is bottom of 5 and 8. 4 6 times, that is equal to 24. So 2 is here and 4. So what is the answer? 4091, which is the right answer. That means A, B, C, D. What is the first step? Multiply A into C. That is the first step. Second one, A, B, C, D. What is the second step? Crosswise. That is AD plus BC. And what is the third step? A, B, C, D. Yeah. Is it clear? So first one, AD. Second one, first one AC. AC is nothing but A into C. Second one, crosswise AD plus BC. And what is the third one? That is QD. This is very, very important. All of you. So this is the process, but just to write down this technique. Suppose if you understood the concept, then 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, whatever it is, it's very simple. Just take a screenshot of this one, all of you. Next example. 45 into 67. 4, 5, 6, 7. What should we do? First 4 into 6, 24. Next 4 into 7, 28. Keep in your mind. 6 into 5, 30. 28 plus 30, 58. 5 and 8. 5 7 times 35. This is 3 and 5. So 5, 1, 0, 3. That is answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain one more example. $65. 56 into 78. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 7 times 35. 5 8 times 40. Plus 7 6 times 42. 40 plus 42. 82. 8 and 2. 6 8 times 48. So what is the answer? 8 is 6 and this is 3 and 4. 4 3 6 8, which is required answer. That's it. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, one more example. $67 into 89. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 8 times 48. 6 9 times 54. Keep in mind. It's a little bit difficult, but keep in mind 54. 7 8 times 56. 54 plus 56. What should you do? Just add 6 to 54. That is 60. 60 plus 50, 110. Okay. Now 110. 1 is in the, suppose 2 digits are there, just write down tens digit here and unit digit here, but 3 digits. So hundreds digit, tens digit, and unit digit. Okay. Next is 7, 8 times 63. So what is the answer? 3, 6, 9, 5, which is required answer. That's it. Okay. Here, the crosswise is very, very important. Right? Because suppose the numbers are largest numbers. So it's a little bit difficult to memorize the sum. Okay. Why? Because 6 into 9, 54 plus 8 into 7, 56, 54 plus 56. Then what is the answer? Here, 54 plus 56. What happened? Just to add unit digit to this number, that equals 60. 60 plus 50, 110. That is the one way. What is the other way? 54 plus 50, 104 plus 6, that is equal to 110. Don't write down like this 54, 56, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 0, and 1 carry 1 plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Don't do like that. Okay, just it's a very smart technique. 54 plus 50, 104 plus 6, 110. That's it. Or 54 plus 6, 60, 60 plus 50, 110. That's it. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
What about Raj brothers? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, 5, 6 times 30, 5, 9 times 45 plus 42, that is equal to 87, and this is equal to 63, 3, 3, 9, 3. Okay, now 4, 9 times 36, the 28 plus 72. 28 plus 72, that is equal to 100. Okay, next 8, 7 times 56. So what is the answer? 6, 5, 6, 4, which is required answer. Okay. Any doubt, all of you?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, now suppose 3 digit by 3 digit, then what happens? A, B, C, D, E, F. What is the first step? Just multiply the leftmost digit. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F. What is the second step? That is AE into B. Next, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, all of you listen. What is the third step? AF, BC, DC, and B. Here, what is the first step? The product of A into D. And this one, AE plus BD. And what about this one? AF plus DC plus B. Okay, now, what is the fourth step? A, B, C, D, E, F. Just skip the first column and multiply the remaining 2 columns. So what about this one? This is equal to BF plus C. And next, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, what should you do? Just skip the first 2 columns and multiply the last one, that is equal to CF. Now, how to get all these things? See, if you observe C and F unit digits, B and E, These two are tens digits. Next, A and D. These two are hundreds digits. Right? Now, all of you listen carefully. When will you get unit digit? Tell me. I already explained. When will you get unit digit? Unit digit into unit digit.
Unit into unit.
Okay. When will you get tens digit?
Into tens.
Tens digit into unit digit or unit digit into tens digit? When will you get hundreds digit?
Tens into tens.
10 into 10. Any more?
100 into units.
100 into unit. Okay. Why? Because 200 into 3, 600. 400 into 4, 400 into 2, what are the 800? So suppose if you want to find the hundreds digit, you need to multiply tens digit with the tens digit and hundreds digit with the unit digit. Okay. Next, 1000. How will you get 1000?
100 into tens.
100 into 10 or 10 into 100. Next, any more?
1000 into unit.
Ah, yes. 1000 into unit. Any more? No more. Now, suppose if you multiply 3 digit by 3 digit, then what is the maximum number? What is the maximum place value did you get? Suppose if you multiply 2 digit by 2 digit, then what is the maximum place value? That is equal to tens place into tens place. That is equal to 100 or not. Suppose if you multiply 3 digit by 3 digit, that means 100 by 100. Then what is the maximum place value? That is equal to 10,000. When will you get 10,000? That is equal to 100 into 100. If you multiply 3 digit by 3 digit, suppose if you want to 10,000 place, you need to multiply 100 digit by 100 digit. That is AD. 10,000 places value is over. What is the next one? That is the 1000. When will you get 1000? 100 into 10. 100 into 10. 100 into 10. AE plus B. Okay. Next, hundreds place. When will you get 100 place? That is equal to 10 digit into tens digit and 100 digit into unit digit. Okay. So 100 digit into unit digit. A into F. 100 digit into unit digit, right? This is a 100 digit and this is a unit digit. 100 digit into unit digit plus 100 digit into unit digit plus, if you observe this one, what about this one? Tens digit by tens digit. So that is equal to B into E. Next, suppose if you want to tens digit, what happened? That is equal to tens digit into unit digit. Okay. So that is tens digit. B is a tens digit. F is a unit digit. B into F plus E into C. And what is the last one? Unit digit. That is unit digit into unit digit. C into F. This is the actual concept of multiplication. Okay. In Vedic mathematics system, it follows the actual concept. All of you, I hope all of you get the concept. What happened, guys? Is it clear or not?
Yes. sir. Yes.
What about Raj brothers? Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Harshika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to explain how to solve questions. Two 34 into 567. 234 into 567. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the first step? We need to find the tens or thousands digit. Why? This is the 3-digit number and this is the 3-digit number. 100 digit into 100 digit, that is equal to 10,000 digit or not. Okay. Now first step, 10,000 digit. What is the 10,000 digit? That is equal to 2 5 times. That is equal to 10. Just write down like that. What is the next step? Thousands digit. How will you get 1,000 digit? 100 digit into tens digit, right? So 2 3 times, that is equal to 6. Okay, first I want to write down step by step. First 2 into 5. Next 1,000 digit. How do you get? 100 into tens. Okay, so 2 into 6 plus 5 into 3. So 10,000 over, 1,000 over. What next? We require 100 digit. How to get 100 digit? 100 into unit. That is 2 into 7 plus 100 into unit. 5 into 4 plus 10 into 10. 3 into 6. So 100 over, 10,000 over, 1,000 over, 100 over. What next? Tens place. How will you get tens place? Tens into unit. So 3 into 7. This is 3 into 7 plus 4 into 6. So tens is also over. What is the last one? That is unit digit. That is 4 into 7. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now 2 5 times, that is equal to 10. 2 6 times, that is equal to 12 plus 5 3 times 15. 12 plus 15, 27. 2 is right down here and this is equal to 7. 27? Yeah. Next, 2 7 times 14 plus 5 4 times 20. 14 plus 20, 34 plus 18. 34 plus 18, 34 plus 10, 44. 44 plus 8, that got 52. 5 is here and 2 is here. Next, 21 plus 24, 45. Next, 28. So what is the answer? 8, 7, 6, 2, 3, 1, which is required answer. Suppose you have a lot of practice, just to skip this step, straight away write down this technique only. After practice, too much practice, no need to write down this one also, just to write down this answer only. Okay, I'm going to explain that one also, nothing to worry. Is it clear, all of you? But initial stage, you need to write down like this number. Okay, if you are comfortable with this technique, then you go to the, just to skip this step and go through this technique. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to explain one more example. 345 into 678. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the first step? 10,000. How will you get? 3 into 6. What is the next step? 1,000. How did you get? 100 into 10. So 3 into 7 plus 100 into 10. 6 into 4. What is the next step? 10,000 over, 1,000 over, next 100. How did you get? 100 into unit plus 100 into unit plus 10 into 10, 4 into 7. So 10,000 over, 1,000 over, 100 over, what next? Tens. How do you get? 10 into unit. So 4 into 8 plus 7 into 5. So 10,000 over, 1,000 over, 100 over, tens over. What is the last one? Unit. So what is the unit? 5 into 8. That's it. So what is the answer here? This is 18. Yes, this is 21 plus 24, 45. This is 24 plus 30, 54 plus 28. So 54 plus 20, 74, 74 plus 8, 82. 8. This is 32 plus 35, 67. And this is 40. So what is the answer? 0, 1, 9, 3, 3, 2. That is the answer. Okay, initially you need to write down this step also. Suppose if you are comfortable with this technique, then just skip this step and write straight away, write down this answer. Shall I continue? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now one more example. 4, 5, 6 into 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6 into 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the first step? 10,000. How did you get? 100 into 100. So that is 4 into 7. What is the next step? 1,000. How to get? 100 into 10. 100, 10, 4 into 8 plus 7 into 5. What is the next step? 100. How to get? 100 into unit. 4 into 9 plus 100 into unit. 7 into 6 plus 10 into 10. 5 into 8. What is the next step? Tens. How to get? 10 into unit plus 10 into unit. What is the next step? Unit. How to get? 6 into 9. What is the answer? This is 28. This is 32 plus 35. That will say 67. And what about this one? 36 plus 42, 78 plus 40, 118. So I done 1 here, and 8. Suppose 2 digit, just write down here. 3 digit, just this is 100, tens, and unit. Just remember like that. Then this 45 plus 48. 45 plus 48. 45 plus 40. 85. 85 plus 8. 93. Just write down 93. And what is the last one? 54. So what is the answer? 4, 8, 7, 9, 5, 3. That is the answer. Is it clear, Nana? All of you? If you have any doubt, ask me.
Sir, no doubt. No doubt, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain the last example for today's class. Okay, give me any number. Choice yours. Any 3-digit number.
Sir, can I tell?
Tell me, Nana.
Sir, 394 into
Oh, wow, wow.
560
894 into 500.
and 60.
560. Huh?
Yes, sir.
0. Tomorrow I will explain 0 now. 0 is very simple. Huh? So give me any digit other than 0.
2.
5.
562, sir.
562. Okay. Now 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 2. By the first step, 10,000s place. How to get 10,000? Hundreds and hundreds. That is equal to 8 into 5. What next? Thousands. How to get thousands? 100 into 10 only. So 8 into 6 plus 9 into 5. What next? Hundreds. How to get hundreds? 100 into 1, 5 into 4, plus 10s into 10. That is equal to 9 into 6. What next? Tens place. How to get tens place? 10 into unit. 9 into 2 plus 6 into 4. What next? Units. So that is equal to 4 into 2. So this is equal to 40. And what about this one? 8, 6 times 48 plus 45. 48, 85 plus 5, 93. Now this is equal to 16 plus 20, 36 plus 54. 36 plus 54, 60, 90. This is 18 plus 24. What is the 18 plus 24? I already explained. 18 plus 24. Just consider this number as 20. 20 plus 24, 44, minus 2, 42. Do you remember, all of you? How to add if the unit digit is 8? 18 plus 24, just consider this number as 20. 24 plus 20, 44, minus 2, 42. I think all of you forgot this technique. That's very, very important. No. That's 4, 2 times 8. 8, 2, 4, 2, 0, 5. That is the answer. Now, is it correct or not? That is also very, very important. Now, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. The digit sum of this number, that is equal to 3. What is the digit sum of this number? 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. 3 plus 4, 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. What is the digit sum of these numbers? That is equal to 3. If the digit sum of this number is equal to 3, then your answer is correct. Sorry, my answer is correct. But not equal to 3. My answer is wrong. 5 and 4 gets cancelled. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. What is the digit sum? 3. So my answer is correct. That's it. Suppose that digit sum of this number is not equal to 3. My answer is wrong. Right? Is it clear, Nana? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See,